Okay, so just 2 days ago, I got my next node, what's called Vision Offering Node or Vision Node. So let me show you how many tokens I did. If you go here, right here, Crypto Fill, if you go to Vision Nodes, you will see that I paid $500 to get my nodes and I have almost 1,000 tokens, what is V points. Okay, so this is the next hot node. What I'm doing is I'm trying to accumulate as many nodes I can from different nodes. Now tomorrow morning I'm going to get 2 more nodes from a different one who are the cheapest node ever. However, this one right here is a very good one because the price just went to $600 because more once they're sold 250 nodes, the price go for $50 up. Now this is still early. Why? Because we're still getting around 500 tokens every single day and have a lot of full ecosystem regarding this node. Again, just remember that nothing here in this video is financial advice. Do your research, always do your research, and make sure you never put more money you can afford to lose. Now, crypto nodes are one of the best way to make a passive platform. I'm going to do tomorrow a full video, like I'm going to compare like Myra nodes, like 3ULL nodes who cost like $6,000 and you make like $10 a day. So I want to buy nodes before the tokens or when it's still early. When we're getting 500 tokens, that is amazing. Now the link will be in the description. You will need a code. Make sure you use my link with my code over there or wherever to get this node. Okay, that's the only way to get it now, and also I'm going to highly appreciate. Thank you. Now next thing I want to mention, if you never watch any of my video, what's called More You Give More You Receive, shame on you. Go and watch. That's me. Thank you, Santa Phil. I'm going in India, Africa, Philippines. I went to India, sorry, and I'm helping everywhere as much as I can. Go and watch. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. It's mean the world to me. Okay, so the question is, what is Vision Offering? All right, so right here you see, by the way, if you want to get the node, costs $600 at the moment. You go here to this link. Okay, once you press the link, it will come here. What you need to do is you need to create account or just go here. Okay, Vision Node, press there, and then you're going to bring it to this version, and then you go pledge, and then you'll see $600. Okay, when they're 200 sold, the price will go to $650. Okay, I already have one. Okay, so that's me. I think I can afford to buy one. I was going to buy one more, to be honest. I'm very attempting, but I'm going to put my money to another one what I find, and I want to get there also early, so I'm trying to spread my risk everywhere. Okay, so you go here, you place there, then you connect your Rabi wallet or MetaMask on Binance chain, you send the money, and that's about it. Boom, that's all. Make sure you log in, all right? Make sure you get registered, otherwise you cannot even buy. So now one node to rule them all. Okay, so this it's a full ecosystem. Okay, so check this out. Okay, now they're going to have only 10,000 nodes. When they're sold, that's about it. Okay, and what's happening is every 250 the price will go up. The price started at 300, now is double. I think that by when they're sold around 3, 4, like 5, 6,000, the price will be like over $1,000. When they're sold around 8, 9,000, the price will be almost $2,000. So you know, that's about it. So you can do the math how many now we can get. So now they're only sold 1,500, what is very low, to be honest, and we're getting around 500 tokens per day for 80. Okay, now this is Vision Offering. Okay, so this is the Vision Node. You're going to get, this is the full ecosystem. So Vision Node is at the core of the Vision game. Okay, so this is very interesting. Okay, you have everything here: create, earn. So it's launch pad, VIP perks. Okay, so let's go and just answer the FAQ. So this is explain everything. So how I can buy, simply click, okay, our Vision Nodes NFT. Yes, during the month of February 2024, users will be able to withdraw their node to a decentralized wallet of their choice. Okay, so in February this month, you're going to be able to withdraw them and send them to Rabi or to your ledger. Okay, so that will be the good stuff. Can I exchange V points for any token of any IDO that will run on Vision Offering? So more IDO they come, okay, you're going to be, so that's what they have. They're going to deal with each project. Some percentage of the sale is always going to go for the Vision node holders. Did I get any tier in Vision offering if I own a node? Yes, all Vision node holders are automatically given the platinum tier. The highest tier there is on Vision offering. Okay, guarantee whitelisting on all sales that run on the platform, among other perks. That's amazing. Okay, can you imagine? Okay, can I purchase as many Vision nodes? Yes, you can purchase as many as you want. After you log into your Vision nodes, you can check, you can buy more nodes, and you will see them in your profile page. Okay, so here they're going to be like IDO, okay, like launchpad for different projects, and we're going to be able to participate in the private sale. Like example, what was the private sale right here? So if you go campaign, sorry, let me go back to the page. Okay, this is me music, okay, sale. So it's ended. Okay, so go and check, go here, explore, and you will find out that, check this out. So if you go here, the public round sold 117% extra, so 20% extra than expected. Okay, sold. Private round, okay, sold, okay, 50%. And then we have the public round, okay, sold IDO 500 of 100% for the public was all sold also. Okay, private round for the V points plus me music, okay, 1 V point for a V music, okay, over 174% sold. Okay, so people use your V point. This is the only reason why I'm very attempting to buy one more node today or tomorrow, to be honest. Okay, so this is the me music. Okay, this is their like how you can get in and participate. Okay, so basically that's about it. I don't want to keep this video too long. Okay, I heard about a very good stuff for the team. Again, do your research. Okay, I still need to do a little bit more research, but it was shared to me by one member, then was shared about few members, and I said, all right, I need to get in. I don't want too late, because in the nodes the main stuff is to get as early as you can. Why? Because every day more nodes are sold, less token you get. Okay, there are only 1500 sold now. Don't be surprised if the number going to get to 2000 very soon by the weekend, and maybe 3000 by the end of February, or maybe 4000. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I love you all. Make sure you use the link down. It's going to help the YouTube channel and myself, and I'm going to help more kids in the future. Again, thank you so much. God bless all of you. Till the next one. Goodbye.